How to make a website with Godaddy. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a website with Godaddy Website Builder. So we're going to head over godaddy.com. We're going to need to head over website and hosting. Click on Website Builder and it is going to take you to this page. Once you have did that, we're going to click on the account and select my products. And then it is going to show you your dashboard. As you're going to see here, it is going to have my websites that I have already created. So we are going to pretend that we have none of them. So we are going to set up a free website. We are going to have the plus button, and if you have no website or whatsoever in here, it is going to take you directly to this specific page. Now, we're going to select the feature that we want the website to be set up with. You can go ahead and set up the website within an online store. For example, if you're going to choose to sell with an online store, you can go ahead and create a website special for booking appointments online and also for something else for a standard website like blogging or whatsoever. You can go ahead and pick up to 3 options in one place. You can go ahead and have the store, the booking appointment options, and also the standard website choice. But in our case, we're going to use it only for a website. We can go ahead and add the booking and also the selling options later. I'm going to click on continue, and then we're going to start by setting up the details about the website. What is the perfect category of that website? So you can go ahead and have here 5, as you can see, suggestions, but we're going to type in, for example, website and see if it is going to have something. Personal website, web design, whatever. So we are going to make it as a personal website. We're going to click on continue. Now we're going to give it a name, for example, Jack's, let's say here, wonders, like that. I'm going to click on continue. Then we are going to set up the contact. If we're going to put the contact forms for our website, I'm not going to recommend that because I'm not going to be interested in the clients or the viewers are going to be contacting me, but it is okay if you're going to need that. I'm going to click on continue. Then you're going to face the GoDaddy IRO, which is going to be the AI that will help you create the content. You can go ahead and skip this step, but I highly suggest for you to gain some time by putting a little description about your website, and it is going to generate the text. After that, it is going to show you here the website, let's say result, and then it is going to be at least here. So that was pretty much it for creating a website or publishing it, and it is going to be for here. So it is going to build the image galleries and a different section or stock section for that website. Here you go. This is your website. You can go ahead and add a store, an appointment, as you can see, section, promotions, set up a chat, and everything from there. You can manage your website from this left side screen. And you can go and manage pages, add pages, and also modify the themes, as you can see, by colors, fonts, buttons, and finally the settings of the website to publish it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.